Welcome to course selection tutorial. In this short video, we're going to talk about the key information you need for your course selection. Please keep it in mind that all the information mentioned here is available in your course selection guide. We will first look at the key document for your course selection. That is your course selection guide. There are two versions for this document. One is for undergraduate exchange student. The other one is for graduate exchange student. You should have this document in your acceptance email. We will first talk about how many courses you need and how many courses you should list in your course selection survey. An undergraduate student usually takes 4 to 5 courses per semester as a full-time student, and you are encouraged to list 8 or 9 courses on the course selection survey. A graduate student takes 2 to 3 courses as a full-time student, and you're encouraged to list 5 courses on the course selection survey. Now let's look at the course codes. These two examples are from course selection guides. They're on page 4. You can always go back to the document for more information after watching this video. Let's take a look at this as an example. The first part of the course code indicates the subject area. And then the second part, the digits indicates the course level. And then the next part is the course title. And then it's the semester offered for the course. And now we're looking at the lecture hours and lab hours. The last part gives you information how many credits this course is. Okay, let's look at more about course level. If you see a course start with 6,000 or 7,000 courses are at graduate level. 1,000 courses are at first year level. 2,000 courses are at second year level. 3,000 courses are at third year level, and 4,000 courses are at fourth year level. Again, this information is available on page 4 on your course selection guide. Now we're looking at how to navigate WebAdvisor for available courses. Here are the steps to navigate WebAdvisor, and this information is on page 2 on your course selection guide. Let's look at WebAdvisor together. This is the homepage for WebAdvisor, and the link to WebAdvisor is available in your course selection guide on page 2. So from the homepage, I will click on Search for Courses. And then please click on Advanced Search. Here I will select the term. Summer is the only available term right now, so I would use summer 23 as an example. And then courses and sessions, I would use the subject of accounting as an example. And then you can skip these. And location is very important in your search. The reason is you want to search Guelph campus as the location because that's where your exchange will happen. And then click on search. Now the system lists out the courses available for summer and in accounting area. So I will take this one as an example. If I'm interested in taking this course, I will now click on View Available Sessions for the course. Here, I will pay special attention to these three numbers. What do they mean? You can click on the info icon, and it will lead you to the information of these three numbers. The first number gives you the available seats for this course. And the middle number, which is 200 now, it indicates that this course can include 200 students. The last number, 0 here, means 0 students is listed on the waiting list for this course. So when you are searching for available courses, you want to pay special attention to the first number here because you want to choose those courses with available seats. So let's continue. With the next part, other key points. Please keep it in mind that some courses requires approval from the department. In course selection survey, you will send us courses that you want to take, but for the courses listed here for undergraduate students, for these courses, we will need to send your request to the department for approval. In other words, it doesn't mean that all the courses that you list on your course selection survey will be approved. It really depends on the department. Some courses would be reserved and some courses are not available for exchange students. So the next part, I want to touch on the course. For some undergraduate students, you might see some courses with DE. That means it's a distance course. These courses are not taught in person. They are taught online. Two things that I want to touch on here. One is there is an $80 admin fee for each DE course. The other thing is exchange students are not encouraged to choose DE course because we want you to have the most in-person experience for your exchange. That is the end of the tutorial video. Please make sure that you read through your course selection package page by page. It includes all the important information that you need to know to choose courses. And we are looking forward to see you in Guelph. Thank you.